Hi there, this is Henny Langeveld. And today I want to answer the question, what is risk management? Now, risk is inherent in every business, and risk management part and parcel of every manager's job. It is therefore a reasonable requirement that frequent risk evaluations should be conducted to identify potential risks in the workplace. Risk management is not something you should take lightly, as the loss of life, harm to the environment, and damage to property or equipment could have serious financial consequences for the company. However, the fact remains that in most cases they could have been avoided if proper risk management procedures have been implemented and communicated to employees. So what is risk management? Wikipedia defines risk management as the identification, assessment, and prioritization of risks, followed by a coordinated and economical application of resources to minimize, monitor, and control the probability and/or impact of unfortunate events. Risk management terms and concepts. Successful and effective risk management requires sound leadership with persuasive and convincing attributes. Sound leaders are conscious of the fact that carrying out of any business operation embraces the potential occurrence of adverse events referred to as accidents. To reduce the probability of these undesirable occurrences, sound leaders should comprehend the jargons, theories, and concepts associated with risk management and implement a methodical and effective risk management process. The terms and concepts associated with risk management are the following. Firstly, hazards. These are harmful and undesirable incidents that might occur during the execution of a specific task or activity. They include injuries, accidents, loss of time, loss of resources, etc. Secondly, risk. Risk is the exposure to a possible hazard during the execution of a specific task and the possibility of an incident or accident occurring during the execution thereof. The risk attached to any activity is normally calculated and expressed in terms of the frequency and significance of the occurrence of the hazard. Thirdly, managing risk. Now, managing risk is the deliberate or intentional consideration of hazards and their outcomes, as well as the implementation of a practical and proactive risk management process. Performing operations with the understanding and acceptance of the probability of undesirable consequences and second-order effects during the execution of these operations. Fourthly, gambling. Gambling involves the conduct of operations in a carelessly manner, without the consideration or understanding of the potential for undesirable and harmful outcomes of second-order effects to occur. Fifthly, protections and mitigations, which are those interventions designed to reduce the frequency of the occurrence of a hazard or reduce the significance of the outcome of the occurrence of a hazard. Lastly, residual risk. Now, residual risk is the residual exposures to hazards during the execution of a specific task or activity and the associated probability that an undesired or harmful event will occur despite protections and mitigations implemented. Remove as much risk as possible. Safety-minded leaders manage, remove, or reduce risk from operations or specific activities through the effective implementation of protections and mitigations. They also assess the effectiveness of protection and mitigations. When risks become too serious, sound leaders adjust, modify, or cease operations. For a more in-depth discussion and understanding of risk management, read our articles on this subject at www.safetycomplianceservices.co.za. You can also learn more about safety management, workplace safety, and incident management. Looking forward to see you there. Enjoy the day.